Okay, here I am in the evictions spreadsheet. This is the Google Sheet. So how to do this is find a name like Betty J. Norris. Here's the plaintiff name. Copy that and go to the maricopa.gov and put Betty J. Norris in the search bar and click in the search bar. I guess this is too small. Wait a minute. Well, I'm trying to get this bigger. It'll just move over. So anyway, put in Betty J. Norris, click on Find, and you're going to see coming up as owner. Here's Betty J. Norris, owner of this property right here. Now the address is Wonderview Road. That's the property address. So over here, if you click on the parcel number, and this is a rental because there's that rental thing there. Click on the parcel view and come down to owner information. Here's the mailing address. This is Desert Cove Avenue. We want to copy this and put it over here. We already have Desert Cove Avenue as the mailing address, but under rental address you have Desert Cove Avenue again, which is wrong. That needs to be the address of the property, which is right here, 5347 Wonderview. So that goes in here, and it's in Phoenix, and it's 85018. Now look at the next one. You see, these are the same address. You have the same address in rental address and the same address in mailing address. This is not what we want. This is not at all what we want. Where we have a property of Jose Acosta, I'm going to copy that. I'm going into the I'm looking for a back arrow. Well, I can put that name right in that search window. Just put that in there, and then you see over here I'm clicking on the search button, which is going to pull up this property here, and the name is Jose L. Acosta. Here's Jose L. Acosta right here. Here's another Jose L. Acosta. Well, this one has a rental thing on it, so I want this because this is a rental. So you see this address over here, 34th Avenue, that's a rental address. So we're going to click on this. Just wait. I'm going to find out where the mailing address is. Well, actually, I got to click on the parcel number. This takes me to, now this is the property address, 34th Street. This belongs, I don't know what it's doing there. It just went completely crazy here. That's not what I wanted at all. So I'm going back to here. This is the property, well, it's a little tricky to get that. That's the property address, which goes in the sheet as the rental. That's the rental address. That goes there. Now, under here is the mailing address is down here. 6732, 6732. Okay, so this is done properly because this should say this is the mailing address, and this is Let me double check. This is Anna M. Let me go back. I'm going to go back arrow. I'm clicking the back arrow in the browser. And there's a lot of Jose L. Acostas here. There's Bertha. I'm going to click this one just for the heck of it. And I'm going to see if the property address is different from the mailing address. And by golly, it is. Look at that. Barnesdale, Downey, California. Here's a property on Heber Road. So this is the one we want. We don't want that other one, because this has a property address different from the mailing address. Not all of these rental houses are registered as rentals. So this is the mailing address in Downey, California, and here's the property address in Tolleson. So that's the one we want. That's the rental address. Doing another one. Junhua Zheng. Wait a minute, I got too many. Copy. Scroll up. Print. Paste. And I'm clicking the little search button here. And I'm finding this guy, Junhua Zheng. Well, that one there is a rental. It says it's a rental. Okay, we're looking at 11129 West Elm Street. 11129 West Elm Street. The mailing address is the same thing. So I want to go back. I'm clicking my back browser arrow. I don't want to see if there's any more. There isn't any more. That's the only house that shows. But a lot of times what happens is they put the mailing address of the property when their actual real mailing address is nowhere. It's someplace different. And we don't know where he lives. What we can do is look at the deed. There's the deed. And here's 2 pages of the deed. Exempt. Pennsylvania. So the guy lives in Pennsylvania. This guy, Zhuang Lang. Oh, wait a minute. That's the mortgage. Maybe it has this person here. There, oh, no. There's Elm Street again. Huh.